So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! I think we should draw something together. A big machine that puts out fires. And most of the time, it's the color red. Yeah, a fire truck! Let's draw this. All right, first there's gonna be a rectangle up front for the cab. Whoa, and then, whoa, a sideways rectangle. Yeah, and that's where all the tools are. Ooh, and up here, yeah, we can draw another rectangle with a bunch of lines on it. Yeah, do you know what that is? Yeah, the ladder. And you can't forget about the wheels and tires. There we go. Oh, and a window for the cab. Oh, and then circle. A circle, a circle, a circle. Yeah, it looks like a spiral. And that is the hose and the sprayer. Yeah, can't forget about the half circle up there for the siren. Wow, now that's a great looking fire truck. If you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Woo, woo, woo.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!